Hello friend, welcome to HawkStack channel. So in today's video, we will learn how to configure a Squid Proxy Server on a Red Hat Enterprise Linux system. Squid, or you can say Squid Proxy Server. So Squid help us to control and monitor internet access, improve performance, and even catch web pages. So we can mark as a Squid help us to control and monitor internet access and improve performance. Okay, and even web page catch web page also. So this is about the squid. So let's start with simple setup and examples. So first question will be arise that what is a squid? What is squid? So we can say that a squid is a powerful proxy server. Okay, Squid is a powerful proxy server that work with a HTTP or HTTPS and FTP protocol. Squid is a powerful proxy server that work with the HTTP, HTTPS, and FTP protocols, and it can be block or allow internet access. Second things, catch frequently accessed website. It can catch frequently accessed website and many more. Restrict users by IP or domain and help monitor internet usage in in organization. So this is all about the squid. Now step-by-step configuration that we can involve. Configuration. What the configuration possible? First, DNF install squid-y. If squid is present in our system, it will say that nothing to do. But if it is not present, then it is going to install it. So first configuration is required that package should be present in your system. If package is not present in your system, you are not able to perform your task very well. So first task that package should be present in your system, right? You can try in different version also. DNF install squid-y. It's working fast. It is installing the package. After installation of package means this command help us to install the scripts and its dependencies. Now the second command is going for restart and enable the squid service. So for this the command will be systemctl enable hyphen now squid. So it will go to start the squid service and enable it to run on the system boot. When your system is going to boot or going to restart, at those moment, your service by default going to start it. So those things will be possible with the help of systemctl enable hyphen now squid command. After enabling the service, what will be the next step that we have to involve is allow squid in firewall. Okay, so for allowing squid in firewall, the command will be firewall -cmd hyphen hyphen add hyphen service is equal to squid hyphen hyphen permanent. If it is already added, so it will write that already enabled squid and success. Okay, the second will be now you have added the service, added the service. We have performed the addition of the service to the firewall. Now the second task will be we have to add the port. Okay, so maybe the port is already added, but the command will be firewall hyphen cmd hyphen hyphen add hyphen port, and the port number for this will be 3128 3128 slash TCP permanent. It is already added, that's why it's giving us the warning that it is already enabled and working. After it, what's the configuration we have done? If you want to make it updated, so you have to do the reloading. So for reloading, what we can do? We can do uh, firewall hyphen cmd hyphen hyphen reload command. So what the configuration we have done, it is going to update it. So we have just added the service and the port. Now after it, if you want some configuration, you can make some configuration according to your requirement. Configure Squid. What the configuration possible for it? For example, you have to open a file and you have to make some modification. etc squid squid.conf. You have to go to that file. You can also check this file is already present or not in your system. cat etc squid squid.conf. So this is the file and having some information regarding your configuration. Okay. So in this file, you can add your own information just like HTTP underscore port and 3128. You can add or update here. If it is already there, then it's not required. Some other information also you can include there. Okay. Including information just like it is written ACL, local net SRC and its value, then is HTTP, okay, HTTP access deny, and it can be allow also. So these information we have to enter there according to our requirement. What the information we are going to just we are giving as an example that what the information we can mention. Vim etc squid, then squid.conf. In this file, you can add http underscore port, then space 3128. But we know that it is already mentioned, so it is not required to mention again. Other information also you can add, just like ACL, my network, SRC, then IP for it, just like 192.168.1.0/24, the information, and at the same point the information like http underscore access and the space allow my network. So they are talking about the allowing, means allow proxy access only to machine from the given subnet. Okay, and we have already seen that there are multiple information is already working there. HTTP underscore access allow localhost and allow my network, and what's the network and what is the source, it is already. So similarly they are already mentioned the information like that. ACL local net source, ACL local net source. Okay, so these types of information we have to append according to our requirement. After it, the next task will be restart the Squid service. For restarting the Squid service, the command will be systemctl restart Squid. So with the help of this command, what is the changes you have done, it is going to apply on it. Now, what the next step possible? Next step that client browser client browser or system configuration. What is possible? Now we have to go to your client system, just like it can be Linux or Windows. In browser setting, add manual proxy. What the manual proxy add can be possible? Proxy, then the value 192.168.1.100. After it, port. Port will be 3128. This information. So you can replace 192.168.1.100 with your Squid server IP. I'm written as a comment. Replace 192.168.1.100 with your Squid server IP. Okay. Now, if you are trying to browsing, this request will go through your Squid proxy. Okay. So these information or these things will be happen there. If you want to block a website, if you want to block a website, what you have to do? You have to do means you have to create a file configuration file, etc squid here. So here you have to create a block, just like blocked site.txt. In /etc/squid, you can create blocked site.txt in which you can add what the information you are going to add. You are going to add the website name. Okay, for example, you are mentioning um, facebook.com, and you can mention forward www.facebook.com, this information. So you can add this as a squid.conf file. Add this in squid.conf file. So what will be the information there? The information will be ACL blocked underscore site, then domain, and you will mention the same location, just like /etc/squid slash block blocked underscore sites dot txt. Just we have created right now as an example that you have to go and create /etc/squid slash blocked underscore site dot txt, site or sites dot txt, according to the file you will create it, and you will mention those information, and in second line you will mention http access deny blocked underscore sites. So when we have already opened a file related to configuration, you already seen that allow, okay, deny. So all those types of information is already given as an example to us, right? So here we can go and we can block the website, okay? And after blocking it, the next step will be restart the service, restart the Squid service, so that it will going to update. So now if anyone try to open Facebook, it will be blocked. Now, if anyone tries to open Facebook, it will be blocked. So according to your requirement, you can set up for your own use. Uh, we have described about the steps that you can involve and what the use cases we are going to see about the use cases also, what the use cases possible there. For example, control internet usage in a school and office. Catch web page to save bandwidth. This is also one types of use cases. Then allow, deny, access select to selected users. Okay, monitor user activity via logs, right? So those are the use case that can be used. And if we want to check about the logs and monitoring, okay, for this, what we have to do, you can check the squid log at in which location you can check this information. This information you can check to the location var log squid access.log. Okay. Mm, squid access.log. Okay. So those information will be here. Or if you want to monitor real time, you can use the tel-f. Okay. If we just get a quick recap, okay. So or just consider as a summary, right? So what the information we have seen? We have seen that how to install and enable Squid. Then next we have seen open means we are going to add in a firewall. Okay, so we can mention as a open firewall port. Then configure access control. Configured access control tested on client system and blocked also. Website Blocked website using these informations, and after it we can go for the checked log. Okay, so we can block the website using the ACL, then check the logs. So these are the information, these are the things that we have seen till now. So that's how you set up a basic Squid proxy server in RHEL. And if you want an advantage, so we have seen that all those things will come under this. And with the help of all those information, we can perform some practical from our side. So that's all for today, guys. We will meet again in next video. Thank you.